Starting around 08 November 2023, Theta organization is exchanging at 84 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta has a sort of all-out market cap of $838,076,108, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,597,171 in a quite huge manner. This most certainly makes Theta organization, Theta, kind of positioning at 55 in the digital currency market in an especially huge manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization especially be genuinely worth in 2023, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Theta organization a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Theta cost in every way that really matters outperform its untouched high, which generally is genuinely critical? These really are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future amazingly. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a kind of normal value level of 91 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to explicitly be 87 cents. Which generally is very critical. Besides, Theta can explicitly arrive at a very greatest value level of 99 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Theta value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every practical sense is determined to be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of 73 cents, or so they basically thought. The Theta organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at a truly limit of 82 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars in an in every practical sense, significant way. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost certainly is supposed to generally reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the very normal cost of Theta for the September explicitly remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may in a real sense arrive at least worth of 81 cents, while the most extreme determined cost is around 90 cents in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. The fundamentally normal cost for Theta basically is generally anticipated to reach 84 cents in October 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is estimated to especially be at around a fundamentally least worth of 84 cents, which explicitly is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of 95 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, showing the way that the Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of 95 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, which really is genuinely huge. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of 87 cents, while the very greatest determined value sort of is around 99 cents. The especially normal cost for Theta for the most part is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach 91 cents in December 2023, which certainly is very critical. Theta organization especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost in every practical sense has shown a sort of good increment of 3.96% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. From very most recent 7 days, the Theta was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.34% in an especially significant manner. Theta organization explicitly has shown areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to generally dive right in and in a real sense put resources into a kind of significant way. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta in every practical sense diminished by 27.627%, wiping out an astounding pretty normal amount of 32 cents from its truly current worth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a very decent, certainly purchase an open door for pretty fast venture. Truly further appearance how Theta organization, Theta, value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of 87 cents, while the fundamentally greatest gauge cost truly is around 99 cents in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change is near 20.49%, and the cost truly coursed from a truly least most certainly normal cost of 97 cents to by and large greatest truly normal cost of $1.06 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, which truly is very critical. In genuinely most recent 4 months Theta organization by and large has shown a developing pattern, which especially is genuinely critical. Hence, we basically imagine that comparative pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, exceptionally further appearance how Theta organization certainly has shown extremely in every practical sense, solid really potential recently, and this could be very great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization basically is expanded from 4 months, which truly is very huge. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, showing how generally is Theta organization a for the most part wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of large manner. The coin in every practical sense is up by 10.03%, with the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, especially was around 78 cents, and the truly least extremely normal cost of by and large was around 76 cents in especially beyond 4 months. Showing how Theta organization has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to sort of dive right in and in a real sense, put resources into a very significant way. Theta organization value gauge 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Theta organization truly worth in 2023, or so they really thought. The Theta cost basically is determined to in every way that really matters, arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 99 cents, with fundamentally least cost of 87 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Does Theta organization generally have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Theta organization really has an exceptional by and large potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, so in by and large, most recent 4 months Theta organization for the most part has shown a developing pattern in an extremely enormous manner. It certainly is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, so the exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing how explicitly is Theta organization a truly wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023. As indicated by essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can in every way that really matters, hit the in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $4.47 till 2030, or so they generally thought. Is Theta organization exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner?